Hey guys, it is that time of the month again. It is time for me to tell you what I thought about the January Ipsy bag. There were some hits and misses in the bag this month, so we'll just go ahead and get started. First of all, I think the bag is adorable. I think it's a nice classic looking bag, so I really do like the bag, and I like the little pop of pink that they put on that. So I love the bag. Okay, first of all, you get your little card, New Year, more products, more focus on you. God knows how my New Year's went. And the first thing that I got was the Ola Neon Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Now, I think this is in shade DF. I love this lipstick. It is amazing. I love the shade. I love the formula. It's not too drying. It's not too sticky. It does dry fast. And the wear time isn't all that great. I mean, it started wearing within the next couple of hours after putting it on. And the packaging is adorable. Now, there's not really a scent, so it's kind of scent-free. It's kind of surprising because a lot of them will either smell like a bakery, like a cupcake or frosting, and then some of them have that makeup-y smell. This one, I can't smell anything, and I don't know. Tell me if you got this lipstick. Tell me if you smelled anything on it. I might be stopped up because I do have a really, really bad cold, but I love this lipstick, and I think it pairs up with numerous eye looks. I mean, you could do cool tones with it. You could do warm tones. You could do neutrals. And it looks a lot darker in the packaging than it does on the lips. Now, when you first apply it, it's going to show up dark, but once it dries down, it just gives you this beautiful mauve nude shade. Ah, just love it, love it. Now, the next thing that I got is the Aiko London. That's where I draw the line liquid eyeliner pencil, pen, whatever you want to call it. It is the felt tip here. I love getting liquid eyeliners. This actually worked really well. It didn't dry out. I didn't have to close the lid and shake it back up again to finish one of my wings. It actually finished the whole wing without no problems. And if you know anything about me, it takes me about 3 to 4 minutes to do my wings because I try to get them perfect, and then they end up being these big old Amy Winehouse looking wings. It's just, I get carried away. But I think it performed beautifully. Now, when it does dry up, it does dry into a matte black, which I absolutely love. I don't really like a shiny black eyeliner, especially for the wing part. So I absolutely love the eyeliner. Next thing that I got was this Eaton eyeshadow, and it is in shade Willow. This is a berry shade, and I think you could pair it off with so many eyeshadow palettes, but the performance just wasn't there for me. This was absolutely, I love the shade, but I expected it to have a lot more pigment than it did. Now, it does swatch okay. It don't swatch the best in the world, but I don't like going by swatches because a lot of swatches that turn out looking really crappy, they can really perform really well on your eyes. This was just a little bit too dry. It's not really buttery like you would think it should be. And it shows, like I said, it swatches fine, but once you put it to the eyelid, it's just a mess, guys. It's just a mess. It wears off. Once you pack it on and then you start to blend. I'm sorry, guys, my cats are in here. Well, of course my cats are in here. I'm in one bedroom. Just, they're a mess. But once you pack it onto the lid and you start to blend around it or on it or over top of it or whatever you're doing, it just blends away. And I was really disappointed with that, guys. Next thing that I got was the Aiko London or Wonder Wand Mascara. Now, guys, this mascara actually performed fairly well. I'm not really big on mascaras. I think drugstore mascaras are just as good as any high-end mascaras. This has got a beautiful wand on it. I love the ones with the wands like that. And I don't mind a big wand. Just don't try it on your lower lash line because you're just going to make a mess. But I thought it performed beautifully. It's very buildable, and it's very, very black, which I absolutely love. So I like the mascara. I'm so sorry, guys. My camera is about to fall, but I do notice it. So I'm just talking about the Jersey Shore Cosmetics chapstick here. So sorry, guys. Next thing that I got was the Jersey Shore's Jersey Shore Cosmetics Star Mint Glossy Balm. Now guys, this is just a regular chapstick to me. That's how it performs. That's what it is. It's just a regular. But guys, it's just a regular chapstick to me. It performed like any chapstick would. I'm not really big on chapsticks. I love to wear them, of course. And I always wear them before I put on my makeup. I always put a chapstick on. Smoky. Sorry, guys. I'm not really big on chapsticks. So chapstick is a chapstick. It's a balm. It's a balm. So, but I do enjoy getting them every once in a while, just not all the time. And it does have a very minty scent, so I do like a balm with a minty scent to it like that. I really love those. And it makes you feel like when you're putting it on, it kind of plumps your lips a little bit, so I don't mind it. It wasn't a wow product, but you know what? I got it. And that is it for this video, guys. That was all the products that I got for my January Ipsy. And I know I said I was coming out with a really, really funny video, but there's a couple of things that I got to do, and it's kind of hard to like work around other people's schedules that live here. You know, like I said, I'm in one bedroom, so it's kind of hard to do videos in the first place. And about the house, okay, I've heard a couple of rumors. The highest one that I heard was it's available the 1st of February, and the highest rent amount that I've heard so far was $500. So guys, I'm trying to come up with this money to rent that house so I could finally put my kids back into their own rooms and everything, and kind of get out of each other's hair and let my cats run around, because my cats are definitely ready to get into a place of their own where they can run free and not have to worry. And I don't have to worry about them getting in anybody's hair or getting in anybody's way. You know, the puppies are playing. Well, I don't know if they were playing, but I think they were. And now my cats are starting. So they're really on edge as well as we all are. So I'm really trying to come up with this money, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I get it. So guys, if you are able to donate, I'm going to leave my donation information down in the description box. It don't matter if it's $1, if it's $5 or whatever. It helps out so much, so much. And those of you that have sent me stuff, sent me makeup and everything, are in my hearts forever. I love y'all to death. And if you could share my story and my videos with everybody, that way it kind of spreads the word a little bit, and that'll help us out. We're just ready to get out of each other's space. We're ready to get out of each other's hairs. And those of you that have donated already, what can I say? I mean, let me just say, you saved my life. You're really saving my life, really, honestly, truly. And that's all I'm going to say about that. But guys, I love y'all so much. And if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. Become part of my Glow Tart family. We'd love to have you. They're the best online in the whole wide world. Guys, honestly, I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next one.